Racism. Belief or doctrine. The inherent differences among the various human races determine cultural or individual achievement, usually involving the idea that one's own race is superior and has the right to rule others. It is also a hatred or intolerance of another race or other races.
Show me the smart child.
Show me the mean child.
Can you show me the dumb child?
Show me the nice child.
The original doll study was an experiment conducted by Dr. Kenneth Clark and his wife. They asked African American children aged between 6 and 9 to pick between two dolls. The only difference between the two dolls was their color. One was white, the other was black. Many said the black doll was the bad one, and a couple cried and refused to pick a doll.
Show me the dumb child.
Dumb child.
Okay, why is she the dumb child?
Because she has black skin.
Show me the mean child. Why is he the mean child?
Because she's brown.
Show me the bad child. Why is he the bad child?
Because she's black.
Okay. Show me the ugly child. Why is he the ugly child?
Because she's black.
Show me the child who has the skin color most adults like. And show me the child who has the skin color most adults don't like. Show me the child who has the skin color most children like. Show me the child who has the skin color most children don't like. Show me the child who has the skin color most girls want. Show me the child who has the skin color most girls don't want.
We're a society, and what we put out there, kids report back. You ask the question, they'll give you the answer.
Well, show me the ugly child. And why is she the ugly child?
Because she's black.
Show me the good-looking child. And why is she the good-looking child?
Because she's light skinned.
Show me the child that has the skin color you want.
I want that.
Okay.
If you have the same skin, you can play together, but if you don't have the same skin, you can't play together.
So why can't you play together if you have different color skin?
Because your mom might not want you to play with that friend.
Do you think it'd be easy for a kid to convince his parents that it would be okay to have other types of people over? Why not?
Probably because you might get in trouble.
Why would a parent want you to get in trouble if you wanted someone to come over to your house who was a different skin color?
Probably because they don't allow.
Why not? Why would some parents not allow other skin-colored kids to come over?
Probably because they might not like that skin color.
It would be as easy to ask your mom to have someone over who's the same skin color and someone over who's a different skin color?
Yeah, that might be hard.
What about it might be hard?
Because all my people in my family are white and not mostly people that my mom knows and dad knows are black or brown or anything.
So it might be kind of hard to ask your mom to have a friend over who's black or brown?
When we're in a situation in public, we're in a room, and we have an opportunity to ask two different people for help for something, And we might just, be more likely to ask the person of the same race and somebody who's an opposite race for help. All of that really has a very powerful influence very early in children's lives, much earlier than we think.
Though it's not just parents, it's also the messages on TV, and the cartoons kids watch, and minor messages they may be sending. There's also friends or the people they're used to having around, and just simply the kind of society we live in.
Are young black children more positive about race than young whites? Dr. Killen says the misperception from some parents that kids are colorblind has a lot to do with it.
African American parents are very early on preparing their children for the world of diversity and also for the world of potential discrimination. In contrast, what we find is that a lot of white parents, they sort of have this view that if you talk about race, you are creating the problem. And what we're finding is that children are aware of race very early.
I do not care if they are black, white, mixed, or any kind of race. I think that it matters who they really are.
It doesn't matter what skin color you are. It's just inside here, like in your heart.